Good morning, everybody, and happy Tuesday. If you're here with me in the Discord, YouTube, Kicker, X chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. We have Yama Chris, Navy Guy, Rule 1 Investor, Marty, Ron's Funk, Hockey Shane, Doc, Silent NW, Cyrus, Probcat, TW, Bear Goes, Logmaster Rip, Amateur Genius, J Luge, Rule 1 Investor, Chrono Ember. Good morning. What in the Star Wars is this shit? What the fuck? What is this? I feel like in the cantina. What's going on here? How do we end up on this? Let's try. Sure. What's up, Big Hal? More MV1 Twin Trading, Dust, Coco. Dude, day to day, you're right. It is day to day. Day to day Tuesday. We have rolled, by the way. Besson is yapping. Blah, 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 inflation. So we did roll. We're on the March 2026 contracts. If your contract is not trading on 25, 277, 280, you're not on the right contract. Well, you can trade whatever you want, but I'm just saying. Trade whatever you want. But we're going to be talking about the March 2026 contract moving forward. Okay. What's up, Brian? Missed yesterday being had. Oh, nice. Yep, the H babies. NQH6, correct. Do you trade when random Fed speakers are talking? Depends. Let's see who is in here this morning. Ribspawn in the building. Stoley, Ron America, Jay Prowse, Yamaha Investors, Z Travis of the Air, Vexo, Tom W3, Ali Rose, Martin from EU, Liquor, L Rap, Steph, Dave, GD Grinder, Dead Cat Pounce, NQ Prince, R Thetra, Crypto Fox, Scott H Silent, W Tomoki, Bulldog, Gil, Cube Q, Dead Cat Bounce, the one and only Doom Slayer, Gil with 5 months. Thank you so much, buddy. Doom Slayer. The clown show today. What? Because we have data? It's okay. We can have data, buddy. Potechko, Trade Trendy, UMax, Tree Hugger, Sam Owen, Dexter NC Airmark, Andre Saris, Vepa Genic, G, Brad, Wolf, NLV, Jedi Trader, Ruth K, Match Grade, Crazy Man, Stoley. Good morning, everybody. What is cracking? Finally got a desk and an ultra-wide monitor. No more trading on a laptop and sofa. Hey, taking it seriously. Send a pic. I want to see. Tag me in it. Who knows what's happening today? What's going on at 8:30? We got a whole cavalcade of data. What's up, Buckle Luck? What's up, McGruff? Rips, by the way, Pop My Cherry. Thank you for all the guidance and having SW mentorship. Yeah, dude. Let's go. Give all the credit there to SW. Well, to you first, and then SW. I had zero to do with that. Retail sales, 80 billion points. Yes, sir. That's right. Mm-hmm. That's right. I hear someone made over 100K last night. Well, I made 35K. 95 plus 35K was 130. So it combines the balances from the day and Globex. So we're up $35,000 right now. I haven't traded since that trade. That puts the balance at basically 2.3 million, and the month is over 704,000 now on the month. What did we do last month? I gotta see. I can't remember. Beep, 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 beep. Let's see. I think we're at like 750 last month, $750,000. Let me see. So I got some work to do. 735. Damn. Let's go, Ripsy. I'm really pushing myself. It's so ridiculous. Gringo with a 5. Thank you. Appreciate it. 735 is what I did last month. So hopefully, I don't know. I'm not really. I'm not gonna say it. I was gonna say I'm not in the mood for trading, but you know how that goes. Let's see here. If you guys want to get up the likes early in YouTube, all we need is 250 likes and we'll stream the open on YouTube. I did not take the short. I'm in nothing right now. We have data coming in 20 minutes. What news will move the markets today? All the news coming out at 8:30. What is this song? Dude, when I woke up, NQ was ripping to the top side. Now we're just coming right back down. Also, this is a good time to remember that you want to use B80G on your charts. This is what your chart should look like when you have the contract roll. If your charts are looking like this on the contract roll, you're doing it wrong, buddy. Don't do that shit. What is this music, dude? What the fuck is going on here? What should I put on? Let me see here. That's fine. Whatever. Was working and lost track of time. What's up, Sander? How are you, buddy? Is today the last day of the Apex sale? Is it really? B-A-D-J. B-A-D-J. Break adjusted. Apex rules worth it? I mean, it depends. What's up, Vibe Trade? What's cracking, babe? Thoughts on NFP? Should matter or price it? No, it's going to matter for sure. It's going to move the markets around. I think the market is pulling back because we were pretty extended and we had Besant saying something that we're not very dovish. I think a lot of people are just spooked for Friday. I think that's why we're having the market sell off so much. Bitcoin did not break below 85,000 last night. Would have been nice to see that, actually, but we'll see. What is happening at funding ticks? I have no idea, brother. I have absolutely no clue. Should I know something? Anyone wort the ale with rules? Don't know what that means. What happened with the Tradeify Cup? Somebody on a no team won. They won it. Anyone Apex worth the ale with rules? Again, no clue, man. All right, we're gonna a little too much coffee here. We're gonna give you about 5 minutes to think about yourself here. I'll give you about 5 minutes to cool off there. You're fucking spamming like a retard. Let's get the fingers out. Just calm down, buddy. The fingers are going a little crazy there. What's your average point gain per trade? I know it varies, but just I have no clue, man. I don't check that shit. I don't really care. No clue. Sometimes it's a lot, sometimes it's little. It's my R&R average. No clue, don't care. No clue, man. Don't really bother myself with any of those stats. Just know that I'm in the pocket, don't want to disrupt anything. Things are going well. It's a whole bunch of numbers that I couldn't give two shits about. That's it. Apex worth only for scalpers. I don't know, man. I feel like if you catch a nice swing after you get out of the gully of drawdown, the trailing drawdown thing, well, then, you know, you're fine. You can take big, long trades. You know, you can do whatever you want. We have about 15 minutes now until the data gets released. Let me see if I can find a better genre of music here. There we go. What's up, July Peppers? Joe B, SW. Oh yeah, predictions. Thank you. Dude, we need a... Dude, I can't believe it took that long. We need one now. Because this is for the data drop. We're going to do it at 8:36. Because why not? There. I use Apex and have been in a trade for a few hours. Depends on the setup for me. Seems to work for all day trading styles. I mean, dude, if you have a 300K account, you can trade one micro and just let that puppy dogger sit. Like, I mean, it's just get the account that fits your trading style and then trade your trading style. I don't think that any one prop firm is meant for a certain style of trading. You just have to mind the rules. You know? I don't use TraderMap, but I have it. What is this for the estimates? Oh, they already gave us the ADP preliminary employment change. That was lackluster. S&Ps are pulling liquidity now too. So the week ending November 29th, plus 16,000 jobs versus plus 4.8 week over week. So more jobs being added. Prior 4 weeks ending were revised from 4.8 added to 2.8 added. So there's your ADP employment change. I don't know, did they drop that early? They dropped that early, huh? Oh, no, that was the tentative one. My bad. Okay. So we're still going to have the non-farm employment change. Yeah. Okay. That was the tentative one. What's up, Shiva? How are you? We on the NQH? Yeah. Make me double check myself. Yeah. This is it. NQH6, baby. That is correct, Chris. That is correct. What's up, Luna? How are you? I haven't taken any trades yet, except for the Globex trade. That's what we're sitting on right here. They changed the interface again of TradingView. They have like this little bar that goes across the top now. We're up 34,000. We'll just call it 35,000. That was the Globex trade. Haven't taken any trades since pre-market or anything. Gold's going fucking crazy. Why didn't nobody say gold? What the? Huh? Oh, that was since 7. Damn. Crazy. How about that? Look at gold. Going nuts over here. 20 PAs. Yo, let's go. What size are those? And did you just get them on? Or what's the deal? Talk to me. I think 50Ks are kind of the best ones because it's you get out of the trailing drawdown the fastest. You know? I know NFP is 11 days. I get it. But it's better than no data, right? Had 12 and topped them off. Nice. I love that. Once you're out of, dude, I feel like having the biggest payouts come from the 50Ks. The 50Ks are like the best one, right? Yeah, obviously. Can I talk about an indicator I made for TV open to the public? I'm not selling anything. I mean, sure, I guess. See what we got here. Dude, there we go. Yo, let's go. Oh, okay. Wait, hold on. I thought those were all, the top ones were all your PAs from today. I was like, damn, you're fucking, dude, that's like 30K on the day, brother. Let's see here. Yeah, you got, okay, so you got there. Wow, you got one with 4,000 profit in it, brother. Let's go, baby. Keep it moving. 50K is at the best ratio. That's what I hear, yeah. I was just wondering how hard it is walking. It's very easy. Walking around with the cash. Getting it is the hard part. Walking around with it, no difficulty. I've never, I don't think I've ever tried the 25Ks. Those are probably pretty nice too, once you get out of the trailing drawdown. Because what's the max contract size on the 25Ks? Like 8 or something? So you can trade 80 contract, well, 160 contracts? I traded Globex, yes, already. We'll have to see what happens with NFP. Silver will rip your face off. Yeah, let's see. I can only trade 25 contracts in silver, so doesn't look like it was as exciting as gold. Gold seems to be on the juice comparatively. Yeah. That was a nice flush in gold. In Apex, if you have a big win, they call it a profit. Wee. And not consistent won't pay. I don't know if that's true, but even if you, so let's say that you have a windfall day, which is what I think you meant to say. If you have a windfall day, that adds a bunch of padding to your balance, right? So now you have a huge balance, tons of drawdown now, so much room for activities. Just go to the next payout cycle, right? Saw an X post of Dodgy showing Peter Tuckman and IFVG. Oof. Disgusting. Rosen, you say globes. Are you trading the 6 p.m. Eastern Open? Yes. Globex with an X. Globex. 25K, you can trade 4 minis. So you could trade 80 contracts. I was right about that. Peter Tuckman doesn't even trade. He presses that pen to his screen really good though. You should see that shit, man. Yeah. Big dog shit. Yo, Rips, what is your opinion on the news about NQ possibly going 24/7? I don't think they're talking about futures. We need a maintenance period in the CME, brother. I think they're just talking about NASDAQ stocks. Stocks that trade on the NASDAQ exchange. I don't think they're talking about NQ futures. Could be wrong, but pretty sure they're talking about the equities going 24/7. Yeah, you just have to make enough so that the windfall is less than 30% of your balance. I've had to do it a few times. It's a good problem to have. Well, I mean, couldn't you just keep the day? Let's just say you're trading 50K accounts and you make $50,000 on each account. So you make $1 million in a single day. You make $50,000 on each account. Okay, you have your windfall payout thing. And then like you go to the next payout cycle and then you trade and then you get your payouts, right? You have a huge padding, right? I don't know. Yeah, I don't think it's futures. We need the CME maintenance period. Otherwise, we're not going to have a CME to trade. Maybe they'll cut down the maintenance period to 30 minutes or something. Good luck with the trailing drawdown trying to make 50K in one day. I mean, dude, I don't know, man. You get out of the trailing drawdown, you could do it. A lot of people on Apex will make a massive windfall for padding, then get denied a payout, then do better next time. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. After the denial, the percentage resets. Exactly, that's what I'm saying. That's all I'm saying is like, damn, that's a great problem to have. You get all this padding, room for activities, and then you just fuck off. And look at my account now. I got so much in it. What's up, Allie? How are you? I'm feeling good. Can somebody get Allie a house? What are you doing without a house, Allie? What in God's name is happening? One of the most positive chatters in here, and nobody buys Allie a house? Unbelievable. The thing with Apex I don't like is that their dashboard isn't as detailed as, say, Tradeify, unless you're using wealth charts. I think they're going to have a new dashboard coming out pretty soon. On 100K Apex, can you trade a standard gold contract? I would think so. But be careful. Celsius or something. Oh, wow. Look at markets. They're juicing. Turn away for a second. They start juicing. 5 minutes now. 5 minutes until we have the news drop. Ripsmod will drop that link for you, Big V. That's where the real party is at. I don't know if Ripsmod is even in YouTube right now. Maybe Ripsmod is on vacation. Maybe there's a command for it. Kick. What link? The kick link. There we go. Ripsmod is trading right now. I bet you Ripsmod is long gold. That seems like a genius move right now. Ripsmod is probably trading gold. Ripsmod, are you trading gold long right now? Let's see. Ribs, can you tie my shoes today? I forgot how. You got to put on Velcro. That'll skip the whole lace tying process. Arctic Vibe made it in my top 3. That's a tasty one too. I don't know. Me personally, I was never a big fan of the Arctic Vibe. I don't know. I was never a big blue slushy type of person. Banana icy? I've never had one of those before. Oh, thank you, Scott, for the getting out of the house. Velcro New Balance shoes. Do they actually make those? Is that for real? It was the coffee, wasn't it, Market Maker IQ? Oh, there we go. Look at that. They're pulling all the orders out now. Ooh, it's gonna get spicy. We'll watch the NQ book map. Anybody who's got a trade on right now, maybe even Ripsmon, we got news coming out. Anything can happen. I'd be very careful. Market is so volatile. I blew one account in spot. Is that what happens when you blow an account? I thought you just get a mouthful. I don't know if it would spawn 2 extra accounts. Just get a mouthful. What's that light blue wave on Bookmap? Oh, that's the placement of the liquidity. It's obviously algorithmic placement. Herbs, how do you think 23-hour trading during weekdays for NQ will change the markets? It's been 23 hours for a long time, my friend. What are you talking about? Are you... What? I'm so confused. Oh, regular markets. I mean, if it happens, it'd be glorious, man. Dude, it's the same thing that's going to happen with futures. You're just going to have slower periods. I mean, you already have Robinhood that does 24-hour trading, which is probably like some little amalgam of like CFDs and fakery, obviously, right? They just do a batch order on MOC or not even MOC, but on 1 a.m. or 4 a.m., you know, when New York opens. No, I don't trade props. I trade props to show the community. I took 2 payouts from Tradeify with a 100% win rate, essentially. Got 2 payouts for 30K. But I mean, if you watch me trade, it's a huge waste of my time, obviously. All right, buckle in. 20 seconds. Good luck. If you have a position on, I think you're crazy. It does look like that, doesn't it? It's funny. Wow, look at how thin the order book is. This is going to be spooky. Good luck, everybody. Bing bong. Wee, wee. 64,000 versus 50,000, so a slight add there. Unemployment rate ticked up by 10 basis points. October retail sales down by 10 basis points. Average hourly earnings down by 20 basis points. Year over year is down, yeah, so exactly what Bessent was saying. Really, he nailed it. Shocker. That was your leak, I guess. Dude, the spread is what, fucking 15 ticks right now? Jesus. Isn't isn't it Ichimoku? If you're talking about the same thing. Ichimoku! Ichimoku! Isn't that it? Or am I wrong? We are gliding higher here. Wow, S&Ps want more. More. So move up in the participation rate. Seems to be causing that. Okay. It is Ichimoku. Dixie taking a dude, look at gold. I'm going crazy. I love it when equities and gold just start schmammering at the same time. It's awesome. Gold went nutso. Sheesh. What did gold do? Fucking 10 handies. The 10-hand bandstand. It seems like there's a lot of people that want to sell this 80 to 400. We had a little blip in Bitcoin as well. But it definitely feels like there's some sellers here around 80. Unders are sweating right now. Let me see. How many? Yeah, oh my God, everybody bet the under. No faith in the US markets, huh? No faith. Buenos dias a ti. So we almost made it back to those 390s. It would have been nice if we would have licked into those things. But for the time being, nobody wants him. If they break down below, say, 350 here, look at, there's some people iceberging down here. Let's see. Can it find the juice to break through 350? Or is that going to be the off button? Back up to 360. Yeah, 355 is holding. I want to see if this thing can schmammer through those 350s at all. A lot of liquidity down there at 350. Well, it seems like that was the holding point. See if they want to maybe touch into 84 in the S&Ps. They have to break through these 50s with some strength. That's my concern here. Can they hammer through this? Right now, it seems to be that's where there's like a lot of iceberging players. Okay, can we get that connection? Okay, good follow through. I just don't want to. Kind of annoying that they don't want to schmammer this thing a little bit harder. See, there we go. That's good. All right, that's me. That's me. There we go. 61,000 on the day now. How many contracts are trading? More than one, I think. Did anybody see that pattern? That was the pepper and schmeckle again. People must watch this and just be so fucking pissed off. The old pepper and schmeckle got him again, huh? Fucking A. Classic jizz setup. I mean, if you want to see how many contracts I was trading, go back and look when I said that's me, and then go look at how many contracts that was. There you go. Ding, 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 ding. Lots of times I just stare at Bookmap as you called it and don't trade. That's fine, man. I don't want anybody copying my trades. That was a fucking beauty. That was it. That was a beauty, baby. That was a beauty. God bless. Anybody else catch anything similar? Drop a W in chat if you were short there. I mean, we said we were like, dude, up the 80s. I was calling it out of the 80s. I said, it's looks like there's a lot of sellers up here. It's like, what do you want me to say? There's a lot of sellers up here in the 80s, guys. I don't know what you want me to say. You know? I don't remember a time when I was like, well, let's see if they break out these 80s and go long. So the stream is just show off. You don't go over any thought process and no execution. No, I don't. What are you here for? Like, what are you here for? You just get to see some asshole brag about how good he is at trading. What are you here for, homie? Why would you waste your time here? Dude, there's another streamer right now who is painfully trying to get 20 Apex evals passed, and then he's gonna blow them later on. You could go watch that guy, dude. He streams from a garage. It's fucking dope. You gotta go watch that guy, man. It's fucking cool. He like streams from a garage and everything. He fucking sucks dick at trading. He's amazing. You gotta go watch that guy, dude. You know what I mean? D-Money more. Is that all you got? Like, dude, I hate when people don't, like, people just, like, they say one thing and they never do a follow-up. It's so annoying. Brat, brat. Look at that thing go. Ooh, the 2-year yield is getting schmackled right now. You're short 5. Nice work there, Noah. Let's go, baby. I love it. Yeah, the spread is nasty. Like I said, when I closed that trade, I was like, man, this stream must piss people off. We found the guy. Because you obviously know what you're doing and starts like, dude, I mean, just, I go over all the trades, man. Sorry, I'm just like relishing in the moment. Fucking Jesus. Has anyone here used the built-in copier on Sierra chart? Me personally, no. All right, so let's go over the trade. All right, so we have what we call data highs, right? We put in data highs. Here's what I'm watching for on data highs. And we went over this extensively yesterday, right? We went over this extensively yesterday. And this is what you heard me say in the moment. I said, boy, golly, it seems like there's a lot of sellers up there at the 80s. So what am I looking for? Let's see if we can do this tag team here. What am I looking for if we know that the line in the sand is 80s? First of all, a couple things to note. Line in the sand being at 80s is below where the POC is at from yesterday's trades. When I'm looking at my viewport here, I'm setting it up in a way where I'm gonna find the qualified line in the sand. In this case, that qualified line in the sand is up there at 390, right? That's my qualified line in the sand, is 390. So a couple things. We're below the smooth round number of 400, and we're trading at 380s, and 380s become a line in the sand because I see a lot of iceberging sellers. All right, so those iceberging sellers give me the line in the sand that I'm watching, which I called out, and I said, boy, it seems like they really want to sell these 80s up here, which they did. And then where is the most keen entry point? Because you're watching for two things here. Number one, you're looking for where bidders are going to show up for the first time very, very strong. Their strongest point of absorption started to show up right around 55 and 50. This is your key pitch and catch right here, because we do not reclaim 80s. And we have a lot of juice coming down. That's why on the break of 50s, I'm out of that because we have the data print here. Data print kerfufflation right there. Obviously, it went much lower. Oh, yeah, there we go. Went much lower. But you're looking for a failed reclaim of 80. You had it in two spots. Here, well, I guess you could call that a failed reclaim, but that's your best one, okay? Don't say I don't teach you anything on the stream. Rips, imagine making 60K copy trading 20 accounts or 130K yesterday, you made. I'm nah. NQH6, Cello, NQH6. You ever place limit orders? Of course. Place limit orders, stop orders, market orders. The only order type that I have not placed this year is iceberg. That's it. So on Z, you can roll. I mean, I would be rolling. The volume is significantly different. Of course, man. I mean, I go over the explanations all the time. Yesterday, I mean, we went over so many different ways that you can shape that setup perfectly, you know? Yeah, if you folks are only watching on YouTube, you're missing a hell of a lot of the stream. Like, you're only getting about 10% of the stream. I stay live on Kick for about 4 hours every single day. It's completely free, and you also get free accounts, free prop firm accounts for watching. Like, the fact that people don't watch on Kick is mind-blowing to me. Mind-blowing. There's no benefit to watching on YouTube, truly. The stream cuts short, it lags. The community is interesting. Failed to reclaim 80s. 80s just being a level based on current price action. Do you have the confluences there? I mean, did we go over that? Went over the fact that it was underneath the POC on the profile that I was watching, underneath the nice round number of 400, and the fact that they were being defended there by iceberg players. Right? I did say that. Sometimes I forget if I say things or not. Bing bong ga ding dong. No, Kick is not just gambling, brother. No, most of the trading is done on Kick. Like 95% of the trading is done on Kick. Very little trading is done on the YouTube streams. Kick has blocked the Philippines. The VPN will see my props loss. Not true. You can create a Chrome browser that uses a VPN specifically for that Chrome profile. So you can segment that VPN just to that Chrome profile. Dang, Rips, I thought you and PW were cool, but it seems y'all still got... I have no beef with anybody, brother. What are you talking about? Who says I got beef with anybody? Where are you guys inventing this shit from? I'm chill with everybody, baby. Do you feel more comfortable going short? I don't have difficulty going either way. Long or short, I just like the market moving. Now, I have no beef with the ICT community either. If you worship the dude, I think you're retarded, but I haven't got beef with you. I just think that you need help. Seek God. I think ICT himself is a fucking retard. That guy's a horrible person. Terrible person. Do the high stakes private games like in Bobby's rooms only start in the morning? Is there afternoon? There's definitely afternoon games. There's night games. Dude, there's a game that runs, a very high limit game that runs from like 8 p.m. to 4 o'clock in the morning. Not in Bobby's room, but there's also night games that run there too. So, what's up, Jess? How are you? Good to see you. Bing, 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 ba-doom, ba-doom, ba-ba-doom, ba-doom, ba-doom. Do you recommend full porting NFP CPI on XFAs? Absolutely not. Have I met who? I don't know who we're talking about now. Hello, back to trading after a couple months. Nice. Did channel points get paid? They did not yet. Let me do that. 285. Let's see. And it was 836. 326. Okay, the overs are gonna win this one. Let's do another one. Yeah, I don't like, dude, this guy says, I'm not gonna lie, I use ICT concept. Great, use what works for you. Don't let some retard like me on YouTube sway you to trade one way or the other. Trade what works for you. I just got a problem with the guy being a retard and a liar and a fucking scumbag. Like, ICT is the biggest fucking loser scumbag out there. He's like, who wants to go? First one to 1 million on AMP. Put 100K in your account. And then we did that and he fucking ran off Twitter because he blew all of his YouTube ad revenue like a little bitch. Well, I shouldn't say little bitch. He's a fucking rotund bitch. Let's see here. Let's do 901. All right, 5 minutes for this one? Yeah, go ahead. He's gonna win the Robins next year. He's so obsessed with something so pointless. How about this one? Trade a real account, make millions of dollars. Oh, you can't, because you suck dick at trading. Pretty simple. Have you talked about the 23.5 NASDAQ? We talked about the equities, yes. Gold went fucking hammer town, huh? A lot of liquidity exchange there in gold. Are we playing blackjack day later? As long as you don't fuck up home plate again. Can you not fuck up home plate when I got 300 on? Dude, please. I don't care about the money, but I want to pay the overs. I would pay. Who knows what would have happened with the deck, but like, that's a key decision on home base there. That was funny though. I did enjoy it. It was fun. It was the first session that I lost in like forever. Anyone that trades ICT have to add volume profile. That right there was exactly what I needed to know why some setups didn't work. There you go. Yeah, trade whatever you want, guys. I think you should always trade what works for you. Always trade what works for you. Try going back and seeing what you saw at 80s on that short. Can explain quickly. Sure. I mean, just rewind the stream. Go back. Just click. Is anyone else's top step not working? I don't know. Is top step working for everybody? If NASDAQ equities go 23.5, I think it's great. I think that we'll have lower liquidity during European trading hours, Globex hours, but I mean, they're already doing, Robinhood already offers overnight trading. I mean, it would be pretty weird to have like, there's already enough things that go on in the markets that I don't think there's any concern, realistically, at all. Thanks for all your help and explanation. Have slowed my trading down significantly. Good. Is that good? Slowing it down? Like being more patient, right? I just trade FVG and CISID. I don't know what CISID is. Isn't CISID? Noah, what the fuck are you doing, dog? Get out of here. What are you doing that for? Thank you. What are you doing that for, man? Chill out. Jesus. Thank you. Oh, you must have hit that banger short, huh? Didn't you have like 5 on? Dude, Noah's been such a crusher. Noah and I chat often in the DMs. Love you, bro. Noah and I chat often in the DMs, and it's just so cool seeing how much he's been crushing it. This year has been your year, bud. You still got it? Nice. Dude, this has been your year, brother. This has been your year, dude. This is like... Has this been your best year of trading since you started? You've been killing it. If you don't mind, you can share the numbers in chat. Like... Yeah, share the numbers if you want or don't. I don't want to jinx you or anything, but just be like, yeah, no, it's some other time or whatever. It's cool though. It's cool been seeing your journey and just like, man, it's fucking dope. Like killing it, bro. He's taking it super seriously. Super, super seriously. First trade ever was the AMC short squeeze. Lost all my money. Damn. Damn. Yeah, Noah and I chat on Instagram all the time. He's pretty fucking dope, dude. Rips, I'm in VIP XFA on Top Step. When I saw that 80% of VIP traders had already lost their VIP accounts by the time that 3 months was over, it was an eye-opener for me. I didn't know trader results were so bad. That's why most streamers, 100% of streamers out there can't trade. And that's just the truth. Very few people can actually trade. Almost nobody. We are still coming down here. Noah's short is really banking. We're breaking through the previous quarter high now. Bitcoin is showing some softness underneath the VWAP as well. We are seeing Microsoft starting to roll a little bit more here. 866 is going to be an interesting level to watch. We're back down to the 4-hour open there. Yeah, markets are really struggling to find a bid here, especially under 250. Definitely some heavier volume coming in. Yeah, they're definitely interested, I think, in probably saying 30 or so. You can see how hard they're hitting that right around 65. A little pump up in volume here. Back to those 50s. See if they slam this at all below 45. It does look like they want to let it loose a little bit. Just have to get through that player at 45. You can see there's a big iceberg player right there. It's a little tricky underneath 45 because it's right at the 4-hour open. That player at 45 would not skedaddle yet. Let's see. Watching here. We're right at that 4-hour open. Watching back at 50s here. Watching this player at 45. Show your hand, buddy. He's literally right there. Okay, see, he's still there. Watch this, though. Push, push, push. Push it right there on 45. Trying to see if we can get that little micro push through 45. I want that little micro shove. Okay, see if they can get rid of this player right here. I don't like how heavy that they're pushing on it, and it's just not breaking that 45 yet. Let's see. Should be able to spin this back down through 45, but let's see. Watching. It might take it back to the previous quarter high, I'd say, if anything. That 45 was holding for a very, very long time, which I'm not a huge fan of. Watching here. Back at 70s in the S&P. See if we get a clean connection through 60 here. Watching 45 again. Need that clean connection cutting through 50. Should still have it. There's just so much liquidity at that 4-hour open. So 45, if that starts to give, will be a tremendous pull. That's all I'm trying to spot here. There's that push. See if we can get that explosion. Nobody wants to be that first one in the pool, unfortunately. Watching here. 45 test again. If that breaks, boy, is it ever gonna fucking slam. So much lick down here. Nobody wants to be that first one to do it, though. Annoying. Just fucking pull that. They're so close to pulling it, too. Like right here would be a push. Watching. Watching. And connection, maybe? Literally connect it. Just right there. Give me that connection. Dude, no follow through below 45 is definitely weird. There you go. How are they not following through this fucking move here? So weird. Because they have so much liquidity being offered below, the fact that they're not flushing that super strong yet is very strange to me. Like right there at 45. Fucking weirdos. Just pulling. Getting spicy now. I don't know why they can't induce a pull at 45 here. It's very strange to me. Okay, watching. Dude, seriously, look at that. The fucking moment that we touch into that. It should fucking blow, dude. Like right there, just fucking push. So fucking weird. Give me that little connection. They keep on stacking offers above too, which makes it even just more annoying. Just fucking sweep it, guys. Without the fucking mega pint. God. Nobody wants to be that puller of 45. Look at this. Fucking insane. Pull the orders! The longer we sit here at 45, the worse it gets too. It's so annoying. These fuckers, dude. There you go. There's that flash pull. That's all I wanted. There you go. Fucking hell. At the VWAP right now. Patience, right? Wow, really? No way. Are you guys really pulling that? Oh my God. At the VWAP, no less. Dude, these fuckers are just not... They're not playing nice, I'll tell you what. If we flush VWAP, though, Microsoft is starting to go. I don't understand why they're pulling so much liquidity here just a touch under that 45. It's fucking weird. Yeah, let's see. I really wish that we had that. Let's watch it. The pull at VWAP here. Potential pull at VWAP. See, I don't like that. That's the type of shit that makes me not like this position right now. Is these little fucking These little wicks that keep on coming in. When we push down, and it's just like, there's stop orders, there's buy stops that we keep tapping into. It's just like, at what point do we just start pulling those orders for better value? That's all. Because a flush with the VWAP is nasty. I don't think they're going to go for it just yet, at least. What are we at? It's 27 minutes till the market opens here. Yeah, I'm taking that off. Gave back some, added late. I don't know where we're at. We're at 54,000 now, but I just wanted that full connection through VWAP. That would just slam it straight down. You guys probably did better than me on that one. I added late into that flush, so. They were making that difficult, man. Very difficult. Super annoying. Oh well, what are you gonna do? I got greedy too. I shouldn't have been so damn greedy. Damn. At least I got out at the right time. I guess I should have known with how heavy that they were holding that right around the 4-hour open, so. All right. So we're up 54.7 right now. So I think I get back 7 on that trade. But just greedy there at those. I was looking for that break of VWAP, and then we just got ground out. So, bing, ding, ding, bing. Ribs, thanks for getting out. Went long and made up my losses. There you go. Nice work there, Herbers. Way to go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. I can't believe how long they took to break that 45 player. It's just so annoying. Like, just pull those fucking bids right. Because it's like, bro, if you're trying to bid that, like, just let it go and like get it down to VWAP and you're fine, you know? That's all they had to do. Just let it go. Let it go, baby. Feel no pain. Just let it roll. Unders win? Let's see. What was this? 901? 247. Wow. Unders definitely win. Wowzers. Let's do another one. Let's do 935. Or no, 946. That's what I want to do. All right, there you go. Yeah, I see gold. It's also up here. Hell of a squeeze, huh? I could have appreciated a much cleaner move on NASDAQ. What are you gonna do? So we're back to the previous day low, which is interesting area for reversal as well. How many likes do we have on YouTube right now? Let's see. We have, dude, this fucking thing is just so whack. 91 likes. Oof. Okay. All right, I'll see you folks on Kick. Thanks for tuning in. We're up, what are we up? 54,000. So. See if we trade any more for the rest of the day. I'll see you folks there. See you.